Time is ticking for metro schools to respond to scrutiny from the State Department of Education. They say the district has significant issues with using federal grant money. Essentially, they don't think Metro's funding themselves properly and have leftover money not going towards students. News 4's Ryan Breslin is live for us this morning to break it all down. Wow, lots of folks upset about this. Good morning, Ryan.
Yeah, good morning, Holly. We're talking about $110 million. That's how much in total the Department of Education says has not been drawn down since last summer. And they say much of it is meant for programs for students with disabilities.
This morning, MNPS playing defense after receiving this letter from Education Commissioner Penny Schwinn, who alleges Metro Schools hasn't been utilizing federal grants awarded last July, with almost $95 million of funding remaining for this year, as well as $14 million carried over from last year. Schwinn writing, these funds are intended to serve students in vulnerable populations and to meet the needs of high-risk schools and communities impacted by the pandemic. By not drawing them, there is real concern schools are not getting the supports needed. MNPS hitting back, criticizing the letter and its release, saying they were told they would be given time to adequately respond. Spokesperson Sean Braystead writing, to be clear, there is not a pot of unspent money. There is a large distinction between drawing funds down through a formal process and allocating and spending funds to support the needs of our students and staff. Metro Schools leverages its funding in compliance with state and federal laws to maximize the resources and supports available to students. To suggest otherwise is false.
All right, Ryan, Metro Schools said in their response that they were not given enough time to respond before this letter was released to the public. So what's the timeline right now?
Well, Holly, there's 3 windows. They have 15 days to request reimbursement information and send a formal letter by the superintendent, 30 days to submit a corrective action plan, and 45 days to remedy the audit. Holly?